this video, we're going to do a nightclub two-step move called the peekaboos. We taught this in our beginning class. Okay, so
I'm going to start with the basic leaders. Here we go.
1 and 2, 3 and 4.
I'm going to do that again.
1 and 2, 3 and 4.
I did hand switch, left on top with crossed hands. Here we go to peekaboo.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so why don't you just talk about it a little bit, Dick?
Okay, so what's going to happen is I need to change hands. Right to right handshake, left hand on top with another handshake. Thumbs are up on both, by the way.
And I think the change goes on 3 and 4.
So make your change on 3 and 4 like Edna said. So I'm going to do my basic.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. So
That's plenty of time. This is 4 is a long count. Get your hands in situated. Then I'm going to kind of cup my fingers, and so will she. I'm not going to let this get away from me. I'm going to keep her pretty tight to me. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Peekaboo here. I usually do 2 sets. I do an exit, and I'll explain the exit next. So what we're doing here, we are crossed hands with cupped fingers. What I meant about staying close together, instead of stretching this way out like this, I kind of lose the peekaboo. I want to be in tight. I can control that because the girl is going to respond by doing exactly what I'm doing. 1 and 2. She feels the tension. 3 and 4. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Now let's talk about the exit. I am going to be taking my right hand up and over. Left hand goes first. 1, I'll go slow motion. And 2, the left goes. The right follows. While it's still on the top, I discard this hand, aim my fingers toward hers, switch the hand, and she goes around as we do side cross side. Now let me show you how that looks.
I don't do side cross side. I'm in the middle of a spin.
Okay, so just talking to the leader right now, you're going to go 1 and 2.
Notice.
Both hands are up on top. Let go of the left for 3 and 4. And I will follow the lady somewhat. I'm not sure how far she'll travel, but I may get a side cross side. I may wind up with a step, step, step.
Okay, and what I want to say is he goes 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I think it's another peekaboo, and it's not. But notice my back is to him. He brings this hand over, which leads me to turn, and then I do a half, half, and a half.
And leaders, I'm pretty much going step, step, step. So let's just stay with that footwork. You're just completing your basic. I'll show you with no partner. 1 and 2. I step to the side like I was going to do another peekaboo. Instead, I keep her rotating for 3, and there was that hand switch, and 4 as she comes around.
And then just the footwork is just 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So it's just a rock, step, pivot, rock, step, pivot for both of us.
Both of us the same way.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2.
One more exit
4
to tempo.
1 and 2, 3 and 4.
There we go.
And the other thing we talked about in class was you don't, Dick does the peekaboo here where he goes 1 and 2 and he looks.
Keep it high.
And we can look through this little window. But some of the guys, they're tall or I don't know what, but they go low. They go 1 and 2, they'll go 3 and 4.
It's still a peekaboo.
1 and
I'm
2,
looking over the top
3.
of the window as opposed to looking through the window.
So,
It's your choice, leaders. You lead whatever the one you like the best.
all right, see you later. Bye-bye.